Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fund IRA in Fidelity. You can do this on the website, you can do this on the app as well. You launch it here from home, you can click on add funds, you can click on transact as well, and you can add funds from there, right? So you come here, add your funds. Under transfer you can click on this, and then you choose from which account, right? So you choose one right here, click on the drop down. If you have not added the account yet, you can click here on add. And you can add your external account as well. You can do PayPal, you can do Venmo, you can deposit checks, you can, of course, transfer investments from another fund as well. So click here and add, right? Add the details, then choose to which account you're funding. You choose the frequency, the date, and you enter the amount. Click on review, and then submit. And as you can see, it has been funded. Now portfolio value is $25. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.